Hi guys! Hi mga kipay and kipoy. Shout out to everyone. Dito kami sa Langtad. Naami sa Langtad mga higala. Kung manghod. Manghod ako nga hapon. Nami diri. Naog desad mi. Pagunit ko kay padulhog siya sa padung sa ubos.
Pababa kami actually.
Mm.
Pababa kami actually from
Kanang,
the landscape area going down to the swimming pool there.
Oo.
Actually,
Itur ko kayo sa aray ko. Ano ba nangyari dito?
actually the swimming pool is not, they did not clean it yet because um in the past few days umuulan dito ng malakas. So and for how many weeks that
Tapos
they haven't cleaned the area,
magbubatay
they
ng
haven't used the area.
chinelas.
So yeah, there. But in their swimming pool, they have actually two penthouse, or it's like rest house rather. It's not penthouse. I'm sorry, stand corrected. It's a rest house. There's two rest house. One big rest house that was actually built for my brother's boss actually, and then also the swimming pool. It's not.
Ikaw da.
It's not that
Ikaw
it's not that um it's not the typical swimming pool actually, kasi hindi siya naka-tiles, kasi hindi pa nila nilagyan ng tiles. And also the reason why that they haven't, parang they haven't decided to put a tiles on or in that area, kasi mas maganda daw yung pool na parang
Doon
tipong
tayo sa swimming pool.
hindi malayo pa doon.
Ayun lang oh.
Hold it.
Tsaka na mamaya na magkano tayo pun na. So bye guys.
Ano sa akin? Mag-ano sa ako?
Outfit check.
Oh God, walang signal na naman. Actually acquired by her boss, but originally my brother owns this, or I mean my brother's wife owns this place. They owned this place actually, and look at it, it's very nice, right? Nag-landscape sila dito and all. See, as you can see guys,
Ang ganda dito guys oh.
it's very nice.
Ang ganda dito ng ano.
Yes, right?
Ayan oh. Ang ganda. Kasi mag-ano siya oh.
There's a lot of
Naka-ano siya.
Okay.
Naka-landscape siya dito sa ano. Ginawang landscape. Iba't ibang mga halaman ng mga nakalagay rito. Mga magaganda siya na halaman. Here, the halaman here.
Actually, they have lots of chickens, roosters, yeah, chicken actually. Pero kasi klase, they have hens, they have roosters,
Tapos
they have
dito,
peacock,
daanan
duck,
sa multicab nila.
many to
Dito.
mention.
Alam niyo sinong gumawa nito? Yung kapatid ko lang na pangatlo. Kasi ako pang-apat. So, pangatlo siya. Ang ganda ng landscape nila dito. Oh. Pang-lima kong kapatid yan. Yan. Ganda ng mga tanawin
They have
dito.
lemon? Is that lemon?
Where?
I don't know.
Hindi.
Yeah,
Ano lang yan, halaman lang yan.
This place is so nice.
Ang ganda no? Parang siya nasa Japan.
Yeah.
Ay best. Bakit di magpunta sa kuan? Katong white
10,000 roses.
Oo.
Ano yun? Bulaklak ni Alejandra ba yun?
Wala na ba ron?
Nandun sa ano? Lahog ata yun?
Ang gato katapuhon.
It's too far.
Sa bagay.
Very nice. Hi, good afternoon everyone. We are here in Bairan Langtad. This is the place of my brother. This place
Solar.
was actually
Ganda, ang daming niyugan.
by
Lupa ng
her boss,
kapatid ko.
but originally
Hmm.
my brother owns this, or I mean, my brother's wife owns this. Owns this
So, paano
place.
guys?
They owned this
Bye-bye.
place actually, and look at it. It's very nice, right?